Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to set up your company profile. So what we mean by that is how to set up your basic brand details, your company details, your phone numbers and addresses, as well as the brand logo that you have so that it starts reflecting on your website. So first thing what we'll do is we'll go to our website, we'll preview our website, and we are going to see that by default it is the Shopivana logo that shows up, and even at the bottom there is no logo showing up for your brand, as well as there is no address and the phone numbers are default that you put in. How to override that and change all that? So for that what we are going to do is go to company profile. Now out here what we can do is we can change the logo. So we can go to a sample folder from which we are going to draw all these details from. Change the brand logo. You can even put in a wide logo. So we can put in a wide logo from here. Change the company name. So let's say if my company name is Google Issues, I can put in that. If you have a company description handy, you can put that in. I'm just putting in a sample description. If you want to display your tax number, you can do that so, like such. Save that. Then you can go into your contact details, put in your address. So let's say my address is this. I'm going to put in this address. Put in a shop contact email, so I can say shop at, put in a shop contact mobile number. Now this is by default your mobile number that you put in, but otherwise you can always override it and save that. Once we've done that, we can go back to our website and refresh that. And what you'll see is your logo starts appearing here. The smaller logo or the square logo that you put starts appearing as your 5 icon out here as well. And if you go at the bottom, you'll see that your tax number, your company description, brand name, and all these things start appearing on your website so that you can actually reflect your company profile on your website. So that's about it. Thank you.